They release her out now.
Life of a Jamaican Billionaire Part 1.
You know, say if your mother they have less of you're better off, you're probably at Yale University right now.
Anybody to use any kind of word on this blog, this is my blog. Get off my blog.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Tufton, Shenseea. Me God knows, my word, my sentence. So, the Minister of Health, Christopher Tufton, recently went on an Instagram live to have a conversation with Ramesh about, COVID and the protocols and all of them, look at something there. Basically, Ramesh platform huge, and Christopher Tufton are trying to get the word out there, and especially with the whole deal that the government is trying to have with the entertainers to kind of ensure so them get compensated for the lack of funds that is being generated because the entire entertainment sector has been shut down in Jamaica since the introduction of COVID into this world. Okay, so during that conversation now, Tufton was just kind of over talking to Ramesh, and this is who he really wanted to hear from. Take a look.
Well, I can only follow you online because Ramesh hiding you are. All is well.
All is well. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm working hard, and when I'm follow you online and all those things, right?
Lyrics, I sound like a lyrics me. I know.
No, I tell you. No, can I tell you? I'm a politician, so we have lyrics. We're politicians, but
sorry.
All right, but what I will say, you are very talented, and I want to respect you. Take care.
Yeah, we don't want to go screen record. I get your
No, all I'm saying is that you're talented. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what next thing I want?
Alright, so Marinos, let me know, were you here for this conversation? Did you listen to this conversation? Are you like Christopher Tufton? Would you be talking to Ramesh and then low-key just wait for Shenseea kind of pop in the camera? I think this is how Jay-Z feels 24/7. When people see him, people really just use him as like a first stage forget to Beyonce. So down below Marinos. Number 9, church mistake. Me altar call. So this video that I saw recently, Jesus people, I think I saw it on Twitter, and I don't know if it's an old video, is a new video, but it's with this woman up on her Instagram live, and she read the comments, but it looked like she never really understand a particular word, and then she decided to just rebuke that social media user. Take a look.
Love, please to get off my blog. Anybody to use any kind of word on this blog, this is my blog. Get off my blog. The blood of Jesus against you. Come off my blog. Pastor Wendy William, take on Munchie there for me, please. No come in, you can use no pussy word on this your blog. Keep your pussy to yourself, not on this blog. This is a Christian blog. Doesn't matter what you say. Pussy is a name. Is the person name Pussy? Munchie love Pussy? Pusey. A Pusey?
Pronounce Pusey. P-U-S-E-Y. P-U-S-E-Y.
No, me delete it. Me think a Pussy the thing. Let me tell you, I have no education. I think I joke. And me block that.
Mama, Miss Iceland, church, oh God, you should have known, look a better man. So, my God, the woman running and start to rebuke the person, But, to be honest, I am not going to say anything because in a high school, there was somebody who didn't name P-U-S-E-Y, and me and him, they get in an argument one time, I'm going to tell him to suck out him last name. Yeah. But let me know, Burritos, have you ever actually made a mistake like this and, you have to kind of take it back and apologize? Sound off below. Number 8, pole dancer. Me Tina Turner. Why did I say me Tina Turner? Me Jocelyn. Yes, I think that's a little better. Me Black China. Oh my God. Me Taboo. Yeah man, that's a little bit better. Alright, so no burritos. Jamaica, as we say, is never short of characters. I know the recent character to have emerged is somebody who make a call like the 1, 2, 3 red light dancer. And he can be found in any little stoplight, climbing a pole. Once it have some sort of sturdiness to it, he will be there dancing for his life. No, that would be lip sync. Jesus, beam. Anyway, so take a look and tell me what you think.
Oh, go on in, pole dancing now, some classical music. The dog play too, you know. The man play some classical music, you know. It sound like some Mozart. I dream.
I kind of love it. I love it. I love it. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, alright. Hey, everybody have to do what they have to do for kind of get through this whole entire COVID thing. We do not know if this is good for this brother's mental health. So, you know, keep on doing what you're doing, sir. I think at some point in time, though, you need to get it because you can't do this for free. At least try to get some sort of compensation for the joy that you're bringing to the pedestrians about the place and the motorists. Number 7, local Titanic. Jack and Rose. Who? Alright, burritos. No, I'm telling you, like, sometimes, you know, Jamaican people have to understand. So we had the most hothead slaves, and so it kind of shows so we can be unruly a lot of times. And it is evident in this video I'm about to show you with some party goers, some people enjoying them like life, the festivities in a grill, and then out of nowhere things took a turn. Pre.
Like seriously?
So, according to reports, it says that persons were partying on the boat. They were tested. All tests were negative near Rick's Cafe when persons from other boats boarded the party boat and it became overweight and started to sink. Persons grabbed life jackets, jumped in the sea, and others jumped in a smaller boat. No one was hurt. No one was hurt. And then apparently something that says stricter security measures will be employed henceforth. So it look like the people them try to cover up the whole of this thing because I know so this is like a bad PR thing, especially from the whole optics of uptown people are allowed to party and get on bad, but then the people them in the inner city can't get a space like this where them can just like freely enjoy for themselves. But boy, oh boy, man, oh wow, I don't think I want to party that bad. I do not want to party that bad for this come reach me out at sea. Number 6, life of a billionaire. Me Bill Gates. Oh gosh. Oh, I could have added this now. Me Kylie Jenner. Jesus, beam. Me Fenty Beauty. Ooh, me know a couple. Jesus. Me you see Bolt a billionaire? Me no know, I put him in there. You see Bolt. Alright, so burritos, I love TikTok. I don't really use TikTok that much these days, but please you can go and follow me at TheDuttyBerryShow. And while there I saw this video with this girl just documenting her life as a Jamaican billionaire, and I am very much here for it because who knew that we had such a relatable billionaire queen on this island?
Life of a Jamaican Billionaire Part 1.
So first thing in the morning, my personal driver picks me up. You know, I can't take public transportation. I'm a billionaire, so for safety reasons, I'm being escorted by the Crocs. And if you are from Jamaica, you already know what that means. You know, it's about to get very hot in Jamaica. It's summertime, so I called my grandfather and I said, "Grandfather, I need some rain. I'm on the road and it's hot and this AC is just not doing me any justice. So, you know, Papa sent some rain for me." You know, after rainfall, I get hungry, so went to my grandmother's restaurant. She has 100 restaurants in Jamaica. The staff, they have to sing happy birthday for me, even if it's not my birthday, they just have to sing happy birthday. You know, it's just one of the rules as a billionaire in Jamaica. And, you know, I also got some fish to take home and festival. And, you know, at the end of the day, you know, I just went to my backyard. And in my backyard, I have my own personal waterfall. So this is just a little waterfall that's in one of my homes.
In the name of Melinda and Bill, like, you know, I have nothing to say. I believe in this girl. She has shown a fair life, and this is a billionaire life. This is, like, honestly, like, the best thing that I've seen since months. Like, I'd love to meet her. and so she can kind of like clear off all of my little debt them and them little something there. I kind of want to house up a Cherry Hill and them something there like one brand new vehicle, a SUV. That's the thing. They're private jets. So if this girl can fund it for me, like honestly, like yo, just lick me, man, lick me. But let me know, burritos, what is the first thing that you would purchase if tomorrow you woke up as a billionaire?
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run long, sing along. Well then, big up my friend.
Alright, burritos, so right now on the big up segment, I have to go and big up Yona Knight Wisdom on his, what you call it, like, is qualifying to the next Olympic Games. It's a big deal. This is his second time doing it, and I wish for you all the best. Also, I forgot to big up this YouTuber. She reached out to me, and you know, usually I'm gonna do like YouTube promo, but I say, you know what? I like her tenacity, and so I'm gonna just definitely support. It is on Dizzle TV.
I tie ropes around women's neck after I forcefully take off their panties for sex. While you call it rape, I'm wondering who is next. Who cares if you vex? I'm a free man, nevertheless. Raping them was not enough. Okay?
You know, also more if you go check out this vaccine song that me spot on Twitter, big up the YouTubers them right here, so for doing these very fun videos and capturing the authenticity of Jamaican entertainers just like out and about.
Vaccine. Me no want the vaccine. Figure dead in the show. Me no want that scene vaccine. When you put in the vaccine, long time them want kill out the black team vaccine. Me no want no vaccine. Prefer figure live in a bush with Maxine vaccine.
Also, more forgot big up the DJ Khaled song here.
If you don't mind swear the way you are gonna see a million.
Capleton completely destroyed his verse. For him verse, shell. Like honestly, like wow.
And ask them the pastor start to sing what I crash about attack. You don't know already they are tuning into social media countdown. You know the countdown go them hours there. So me roll.
Number 5, Kitty Talk. Me loquacious. Alright, so Miss Kitty Boy, her name has been trending in recent weeks, and it is all because of her radio show and her talking, you know, sharing her thoughts. Very similar to Wendy Williams in the United States of America. And so, you know, moving on from Miss Kitty and that upcoming artist and that whole $8,000 meal issue, like if you want to hear more about it, you can go and check out my countdown quickie where I, you know, address it in depth. So anyway, no, so Miss Kitty, no, she had to address somebody that I guess was being the invigilator of her womb, and this is how she cleverly got them together.
Always want to look down on people. You want to make men feel bad. You want to make women feel bad about not having a child. You don't know somebody's story. You don't know why. You don't know. Stop it. And some people cannot have, and some people choose not to have. Leave people alone. Like the girl that got asked me, so Miss Kitty, so you know I'm not children, you know, not children and a baby yet. I said no. So when you wait for me, I wait for a husband, I wait for marriage, come on a wedlock, I like family. I'm the two send to the concubine living. So I said to her, so I say, so me can ask you something? No. So when you get a subject, and when you be a millionaire, you don't want what people be a millionaire. When you go own a house, cause you know you don't want to know your name feel like for the a title. You're a lot of Kitty can go and say, you see it? You have neighborhood watch for my ovaries. I'll be asking about your brain and you're ignorant. Don't leave me alone. Everybody to them own order. You live your life. You have 3 pitney and I don't say with 3 supermarket, 3 Benz, nor 3 wholesale. Leave me alone. You live your life. Oh, you want to live it? Let me live mine, miss. Just do your thing and make me do the thing, no man. Yeah, man. Just do you. And she walk and beg. She have 3 pitney now and walk and beg. As a matter of fact, she was begging me. So you're begging me, and then you have you're gonna ask me why me don't have coming to walk and beg like you. That's
You serious?
No, Miss Kitty don't joke. Like Miss Kitty come like so she rehearsed with this. Like there's something you burn her till when she all like in the bathroom and a beard and a massage her scalp. She was there thinking about when women out the road come ask her when she going to have kids and all of these things. Miss Kitty make sure she should study them. I'm sure she should have whole heap of clapbacks from now till the morning. She have a clapback for each month. And then when it get boring, she just find a little way for putting some new metaphor, some new simile, some new figures of speech and all kind of things in there. And anecdotes and analogies. All of them something you should put in there because when Miss Kitty will get it together, you know, like she will do it in a certain way where you don't know if you must be inspired or you just want to do her. Sometimes it's a mixture. But burritos out there, what do you think about this? Do you think that people should just leave people and whether or not them fertility alone come out of people, woman, whether or not they want to have a child? Because this whole entire thing, it was just crazy if you know, so the woman say all of that and still have the strength and the lack of awareness to go and beg her. Like, me don't know, like you couldn't read the room, you couldn't understand, say if you're going to talk so strong to somebody, you can't be at their mercy, you ask them for a little change or nothing like that. Wow. Promo time! Alright, so let me tell you about something called Everything Shipping. So Everything Shipping is a company based in New York but operates in all 50 states. The slogan is the shipper that shops for its customers. So it's no matter where you are in the Caribbean, you don't need to travel to the United States to shop. Everything Shipping will shop for pack barrels, and it will in crates and containers and ship it to you, even to your door. Alright, so if you want to shop online and ship the items to their warehouse, that can be arranged. They will pack it up and ship it out of their items. I know we're good too. They also do store pickups. I say in particular the hotel workers, them and the farm workers, special arrangements and special treatment. They're there for Uno. So make sure so Uno in particular also contact Everything Shipping. So their contact information is right here. So please go and check it out if you want more details and to find out more information on how you can get the good items them right to your door. Contact Everything Shipping. Number 4, teen construction may expel who? So this is another video that I saw on TikTok, and is with this youth. Him I forgot to talk about construction work, and that is what he do for kind of put himself out there so he can get him food for eat and pay for him studies and all of that. And I was very impressed by this, and so it was no surprise when Mr. The Star made this into a story.
Life of a 17-year-old working student.
It says, concerned that he would miss out on online learning, 6th form students at St. Catherine-based Guysville High, Nathan Douglas, sought a source of income. The 17-year-old from Palmetto Grove, St. Mary, started working on a construction site on Post Road in the parish on March 29. I took the job because I saw a way where I could assist myself while going to school, and the online classes cost a lot. And so yeah man, this is definitely very commendable. And the issue I normally see with all youth is like them not have the will for the little drive there. If they feel as if society is supposed to just hand them certain tools, and when them just reach a certain age and it's not there, it's just like, yo, everything failed me, like there's nobody there for me. But sometimes you have to take a page out of this young man's book, and you have to go there, go look it. Nothing is really handed to you. You might feel like say I saw the thing set when you're a child, but when you grow up, it is really every man for themselves. Not even parents after you reach 18 are necessarily obligated for just make sure so them find a way and every little thing for you. You have to go there and go and hunt it. And so what this youth did is definitely admirable, and I hope more other people can take a page out of his book and find a way how you can really be purposeful and determined, and just to kind of do what you need to do so you can make that ultimate dream of yours be realized. Number 3, party promo shot. Alright, burritos, let me tell you, say, probably I don't know why I actually put this video on the countdown, but because it is actually a promo, it's an advertisement, not when me I do and I make money from, But this is actually from Slick White Line. You can, go and check out all them videos. The reason why I can appreciate it is because people who can manipulate videos and just make it very interesting, kind of like what I do. He does it in a different way, but it is just so genius to me. Like you really have to have a certain level of, you have to have an ear, you have to have an eye, and you have to have a certain creative wisdom to be able to execute it like that, and that is what this brother has. And so he did this party promo, and I tell us it shell, like it was so enjoyable. Like I feel like me one guy the party, all if me did stuck in the middle of Antarctica in a one pit latrine.
Miss Kitty,
Yes.
a peanut gel out there say no. It must a pepper seed promotion that keep milk all white, and I want to invite you out.
We're gonna need a little money for go out then.
How am I get money? No man, Rasta, Shaggy need money. I tell you about event right enough. I pay $40 at the gate.
So the goat team costs a lot of money.
Me at the 15th, and I'm gonna give you $500 every hour. So Miss Kitty, how much money you da want?
That's $86,000 right there.
Rob you want for rob me? That for everything?
For the event itself.
And we not get the money.
We're not stepping on 100,000 we all know,
Kimani Mali, I got it alive, So like how much for a basic wig?
A basic wig right now, well upon 20 grand.
10,000.
Sir, you make your buck bubble come by me. Get away.
Your favor stinking shit.
Oh wow, okay. the way the brother take the Miss Kitty snippet from our radio show and put it with a Rastaman conversation there and just, yeah man, shell. Man, I have nothing more for to say, like, that is it. Let me know what you thought about this promo, and would you, reach out to him for do a party promo for you like this? Sound off below. Number 2, Green Love. Me US Embassy. Very does, let me tell you, like, life in Jamaica is hard. The KFC prices are go up, the gas prices are go up. Like, everybody I try find a little way to make it out of here and see if them can get some stronger currency. And so you cannot really knock anyone's hustle. And you know who know the hustle there? A trying hustling Jamaican man. A trying hustling Jamaican man know say, yo, when him need for reach with them mullah there, yeah man, him go tell 1 and 2 line, him go make a way, man, him go try. And this brother saw this Caucasian lady and decided to step to her and make his moves. Take a look, Burritos.
Madman don't get white woman to blood clot. The boss of him green card, the boss all married. Madman for industry. Green card. Here comes the go boss, America next year.
Oh. No, honestly, this is true love. Me not go around it like this is true love. Me not defend the youth right now. Me I hear some people say he is, not necessarily somebody in possession of a home. And him just step on the street and him just see the woman and try the thing and the woman and no wiser. Cause maybe she just like a little rough type of street, little tuggy type of vibes there. And so she's quite enamored with him. Ooh, enamored. I tell you, listening to Miss Kitty, really dropping some words back in my vocabulary, I tell you, people, because I can't tell when last me use enamored and look at me, just I use enamored, so like me as somebody. But anyway, you could tell that she was just very much in awe and wrapped up in his entire aura and his presence, and so she was just quite captivated, and the man capitalized on fear captivation. And so in a theme brain, hopefully all of this lust will lead to some migration. Wow, come on, Barry, come on, bars, Nicki Minaj, whoo, Jay-Z, whoo, Nas, whoo, Kanye West, whoo, World Health Organization. Okay, wow, that was lame. Wow. So anyhow, Burritos, like, you here for them love story? You gonna support them? Are you cheering for them? Like, so what if the brother is homeless? So what if she don't know? It is love. Like, let us support them right now, Burritos. All right?
I true that, man, but look for me now and tell me what side you stick me is.
Me? Man, I really can't look for you and tell what size now because I not deal with kids meal. So.
Hey yo, this is Sean Paul of Flossing and you don't know we're endorsing the Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked.
And number 1 goes to Spice, go down there. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to Spice's latest single that is called Go Down Dead.
Only for hot girl in the place. Them want to wind them ways.
No, this is apparently part of her project with VP Records because a long time them or one album and now the album look like say it is finally, ready for just like tada! And the person who is behind it, producing it apparently where me I hear is Shaggy. Yeah man, the same big bad artist there, international, local and all of them because something there. It wasn't me, Shaggy. Him same one. So say that's my expectations up here so for just say a genius like him is behind the project. So me I expect the album going to have a little sprinklage of international nation, of a little billboardish. It's supposed to sound like an MTV, like a BET. Man, I'm supposed to just see it reside in a CARICOM. I expect it to just sound very, me I travel all that little place that we now normally hear about on the map. That is how my expectations were set. And so when me hear about it go down there thing, I say, oh, okay, let me hear it. When I saw it and the music video, listen to the song and the music video, people, shell.
Them days out now on all platforms. Watch artists.
Spice, and them type of music I want to hear from you. You see, me no know, like me hear like other song them, but you see when Spice a talk about the little skin out and the little wine out and them something here, I some want to see it. I want to see it from them like a level here. all the while because your thing depend on like a level now.
Early morning love, she get it good from she rise. But put it on so good and make she shake all she.
You know, you're queen, you're queen Spice. I don't want to see like you look like say I want like an artist with just a try. So even though when you're gonna talk about like a skin out song them, I want your skin out song them to be elevated. And I just want to be, I don't want the regular fight over man skin out. I want skin out 2.0, one skin out where I not even have the upgrade for my phone yet. And that's what I want your skin out for there right now. Since that is your I want your strength them. Nobody can do skin out song like you. Wind up song like you Spice when you go down in night like this. I so want to see it and so really love it. Sean Paul did great on the song. Shaggy bringing the little some love them. I'm gonna jump on man like the fact that Shaggy went for the little vice there. No, come on, chef kiss.
Early morning love, she get it good from she rise. But put it on so good and make she shake all she.
And then Sean Paul, you can't know, like, even if I start at the song, like, honestly, you have Sean Paul on a group project like this, he might be Shelly and Fraser.
Only for hot girl in the place.
Boy, like, I just love to see this song from Spice, even though I know it was recorded like years ago. But like, I like this, I love Spice when she do her other song them. But like, when Spice do her dash out music them, I want it to have an elevated look and an elevated sound because of years in it now, so I want to see it, I get the same treatment like 20 years ago. Zine, love the song. Please go and check it out on every single streaming platform. Go down there. Spice, Sean Paul, Shenseea, Jesus Christ. Spice, Sean Paul, and Shaggy. The 3 S them. And oh, before we go now, this is actually like a more, a 2021 version of that throwback early 2000 hit from Beenie Man that was actually called Boss Man. And in that song, it featured Sean Paul as well. And one woman, Sean Paul, Beenie Man, and Lady Saw, and now we have Spice, Sean Paul, and Shaggy. So clearly, it's like every 20 years or so we do a track like this, and so I can't wait for the next one because I feel like more artists should collaborate and to just do some epic singles like this.
Can I get a wow? Wow! Can I get another wow? Wow! Give me another one. Wow!
But yeah, man, please go and support the song. Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on your post notification. And do not forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. If you're new to the channel or you're up on the channel regular but you're just kind of lazy to the thing, please just go ahead and subscribe. Okay, I'm trying to head to the 300,000 mark on YouTube, so help me to get to it. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all over. If you want to advertise within the countdown, please send me an email to bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com, especially right now that I'm having a 15K promo special. So I advertise your business, your product, your brand, whatever it is that you want the promo service on. Just send me an email to bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com and we can sort out things. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover.